In this video, I will show you how you can change the age restrictions of your iPad. Now to do that, you will need the password of the parental controls. After you get the password, then just go to settings, and under settings, just scroll down and tap on screen time. Under the screen time settings, just tap on content and privacy restrictions. Then on this page, just tap on App Store, Media, Web and Games. Now over here, you can change the age restrictions of your iPad. For example, if you tap on Apps, you can select the age rating of the apps from here. As you can see, it is currently on 18+, but you can also select any of the available options. Now to do any changes over here, just enter the password of the parental controls. And after you do that, you will change the age restriction like that. Now if you go back, you will find all the other age restriction settings. For example, if you tap on movies, you can select what type of movies to be available. For example, I will select this option. After that, just go back. As you can see, you have a lot of options. You have the option to change the age restriction for the music, podcasts, news, and fitness. You have the option for music video. You also have the option for music profiles, movies, TV shows, books, app clips, web content. As you can see, you can also limit web content. And also you have the option of multiplayer games, adding friends, connecting with friends, and etc. Now, if you want to disable all the age restrictions from your iPad, then just go back, and from here just disable content and privacy restrictions. And after you disable this toggle, not only you will disable all the age restrictions from your iPad, but you will also turn off all the parental control settings from your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.